Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the Redmi K70 Pro, a feature-rich device. Let's explore every facet of this impressive smartphone. Screen. Let's start with the screen. The Redmi K70 Pro boasts a sizable 6.67-inch display with a resolution of 1440 x 3200 pixels, delivering sharp visuals and vibrant colors. The pixel density of 526 ppi ensures incredible detail in every image. The display supports Dolby Vision and HDR, making your content truly pop. Plus, with a refresh rate of 120 Hz, the screen delivers smooth transitions and an enhanced viewing experience. Its 20.9 aspect ratio and 107.16 cm2 screen area ensure an immersive visual canvas. Additionally, it has a screen-to-body ratio of 88.89%, providing an edge-to-edge viewing experience. Battery. Powering this device is a robust $5,000 mAh battery, ensuring long-lasting usage. What's even more impressive is the 120W fast charging capability, allowing you to recharge the phone from 0 to a full charge in just 18 minutes using the USB Type-C port. Camera. Now, let's talk about the camera setup. The Redmi K70 Pro features a sophisticated camera system. The primary camera clocks in at 50MP, ensuring high-resolution shots. The secondary rear cameras include a 12MP extra-wide-angle lens for expansive shots and a 50MP telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom capabilities, bringing distant subjects closer without losing quality. On the front, there's a 16MP camera for crisp selfies and high-quality video calls. The video recording capabilities are top-notch, supporting 8K recording at 24 FPS. Additionally, there are multiple slow-motion recording options available for creative videography. Performance. Under the hood, the Redmi K70 Pro is a powerhouse. It's equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, featuring an octa-core CPU with a 3.3 GHz clock speed. The 12GB LPDDR5X RAM ensures seamless multitasking and gaming experiences. Storage won't be an issue with options up to 512GB of UFS 4.0 internal storage, along with various RAM and storage configurations available. Design. Crafted with precision, the device measures 160.866 mx, 7495 mx, 821 mi and weighs 209 grams. Its aluminum frame adds durability and elegance. The phone comes in 3 color options: white, black, and green. Connectivity. For connectivity, the Redmi K70 Pro supports 5G, ensuring blazing fast internet speeds. The Wi-Fi 7 standard with dual-band capabilities, Miracast, Wi-Fi Direct, and MU-MIMO support enhance wireless connectivity. Navigation is precise with dual-frequency GPS and support for multiple global positioning systems. Bluetooth 5.4 ensures seamless connectivity with other devices. Multimedia and features. Multimedia enthusiasts will appreciate the stereo speakers, high-res audio certification, and Dolby Atmos support, delivering immersive sound. The in-screen fingerprint reader ensures quick and secure access. It also comes with features like high-res wireless audio support, vapor chamber cooling for temperature management during heavy usage, and face identification for added security. Other links and basic knowledge. Other connectivity options include a USB Type-C port with USB on-the-go support and a nano SIM slot. Released in 2023, the Redmi K70 Pro was announced in November, part of the Redmi K series. Conclusion. So, there you have it, a comprehensive look at the Redmi K70 Pro, a true flagship with top-notch features across the board. Stay tuned for more detailed reviews and tech insights. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.